they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so faithful.
Hey everybody, guess who is back with another mini tutorial. It's me, Tayshawn Miller, and today I am going to be doing some jumbo feed-in braids. Now, I've already started my hair, and the reason why is because I feel like everybody and their mammy knows how to plait. So I felt there was no need to show you all me plaiting the back of my hair. However, I am going to just kind of show you how chunky they are. They're super chunky, like ginormous. It only took me 2.5 hours, and that's the reason why I did them this big, because I didn't want to take a long time. So I'm going to be doing the feed-in part up here to the top. At this very moment, I still cannot tell you exactly what type of way I want to do it, because y'all know me, I love a good old deep side part. And I'm gonna tell y'all what hair I'm using in 1 minute, because I love the hair. Yeah, so I love a good deep side part, but I do want something where I kind of like want this side to be pushed back, you know, in a little curve like this, and then, you know, I want this to come, girl, I want it to come down, you know what I'm saying? Ow. Yeah, so, but anyway, the hair that I am using, excuse me, is Freetress Equal in the color OT30. OT30. It's by Shake and Go Freetress Braid 101. Quick and easy, ready to install. They ain't never lied. You don't have to prep this hair at all, honey. You can just spray some oil, spray some water on it, or you can do like I do, which I am putting a little bit of my edge control on my hair to kind of seamlessly go in, which you can't even see where my hair stop at. Like, I have no frizzies with this hair at all, like zilch, zero. So it says pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, pre-layered, pre-everything. So it's a 28-inch. Now this is the part where I think they told a little white lie. They saying it's 2 times the braid, trying to say like it's you get twice the hair. Sis, I don't know if that's the complete truth, but it's 28 inches, like I said. And that's where it says 2 times the braid right there at the bottom. So here is the color. Now I want to open this because I want to show you guys something. The reason why I am so in love with this hair is because I love a good ombre. Like, if I want something ombre, I really want it to be one color and fade into another. Like, I don't want to see, since this is like supposed to be 1B and then a 30 to the bottom, like I don't want to see 30 all up in here. You see what I'm saying? Like, you see how, like, if I just showed you this, you'll be like, oh, she just putting in black braids. But bam, you see what I'm saying? This is let's just take a moment and clap up with this color, how they ombre this. Like, this is a blessing, y'all. It's a blessing. It's, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna match, it's gonna look cute right there. Then you know it's gonna fade into the little, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna look good, y'all. God is good all the time. Because let me show y'all what I was using for my ombre when I did my daughter braids. And I really didn't like it because I really wanted it to be really black here and then fade into the brown versus being black and then you can see little hues of brown going into it and then it just fades to end like, So let me show you. Okay, so here's the hair that I did my daughter's hair with. Everybody know about the easy braid. I got plenty of videos on here with me using this hair. And I'm not trying to knock it because I actually love this company. But if we can look at this for a minute, you see how you could see the other color and then it's like at the end. Now, when I match it up against this, y'all gonna see the reason why I'm shouting. Look at this. You see that? Can you see that? This is literally it. And this looks like it could be a number 1. It doesn't even look like a 1B. It actually looks like it could be a 1. But look at that. You see what I'm saying? And now that I look at this against this, it's not even as pretty as this is, you see? And these ends are nice and long and they're full. And these ends are kind of like, ugh, like it don't have no movement or nothing. And this, you know what I'm saying? I could be like, you know, so that is the difference with the Easy Braid. And I'm not trying to knock Easy Braid because I love Easy Braid. You know what I'm saying? They was here for me when this company wasn't here for me. When I was doing the feeding braids, first learning and whatever, I was able to use that without having to feather the hair. So I was kind of, you know what I'm saying, I was feeling it. But, you know, when you know better, sis, you do better. And like I said, this right here is the bomb. So this is what we're going to be using today. So, I'm kind of thinking about, y'all, please excuse, y'all know everybody knows somebody that got a smoke detector that need a battery. So, yeah. But anyway, okay, so you see where I have the part at already? This is kind of where I want my part to be. Like, I kind of want to do 2 skinny braids going back. And then I want this to kind of come like this. And then I want this to come over and come down. That's what we're aiming for. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen. Cause I don't have nobody to help me. And it's just me.
That's all I got in here. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to write about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself.
Okay, enough for the jam session. Y'all, I'm crazy. But anyway, yeah, so I have a brain fart right now. I forgot what I was going to tell y'all. I forgot. Oh, I wanted to talk about because a lot of people have been asking me about my my alopecia. So my alopecia, how can I explain it? Definitely I want to say, if it wasn't for the grace of God with me creating this oil, I would not be doing YouTube videos, because I probably would not have any hair to do any YouTube videos. Okay, I'm just gonna tell y'all, I just be doing wigs. But my hair is, I'm still dealing with alopecia, because as of now, like, there's really, that I know of, not a cure for it. However, you know, because the oil that I use makes my hair so full, and it brings it, every time it comes out, it brings it back in like little hairs. It keeps it covered. So you really don't know that I have alopecia, but I can show you guys. It's like no shame. Like, it's right here. If you guys can see it, it's like right there. Now, mind you, it was big. It was like this. I had a hole like this big, the size of this scrunchie, you know, and now I'm able to braid there because it was so tender and so sore. I was unable to even braid there, sis. Like, I would have to skip around it because I couldn't put anything there because it was just tender to the touch. So it's doing good, and I just thank God that the rest of my hair, y'all know I took the twist out, so that's why I look like this, but I thank God that the rest of my hair is like just flourishing. So, you know, we gotta learn, y'all, to be grateful for what God gives us, and we gotta make do with it. You feel me? Make do with it. Don't stop crying, stop complaining about you ain't got this, you ain't got this much hair, you only got this, your hair breaking it. Let's just pray about it. Take care of it and keep it moving, because honey, boo-boo, some people hair come out and they can never grow it back again. So if you're one of those lucky, fortunate people who hair come out and you're able to grow it back again, then you need to be shouting and thanking the Lord for that, okay? All right, y'all. As usual, no talking this time. I'm getting ready to start. And I will see you guys. Yeah, I'm loving my hair. What if I should just wear it like this? Just wear the back like that and just, you know, come up with a new hairstyle, right? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I kind of like it like this. Just with the front. No, I'm just playing. All right, y'all, let me start.
I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. 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 If you Drop that found freedom and I'm back already. To some people that is crazy. There's so much on my mind, I'm always losing time, so I gotta grind. I can't be lazy. AG on the beat, so you know the track wavy. I wrote this on the vent, cause a lot of people shady. I ain't perfect, man, I really need Jesus daily. And what you gotta say, that don't faze me. Okay, it does, maybe just a little bit. And it can get annoying like a little zit. But no matter what you say, I will never quit. God gave me a dream and I'm chasing it. And it ain't no faking it. Music mean a lot to me, it ain't no replacing it. That was steady trying to kill me, but I'm escaping it. Through the heat, I rise like bread in a bakery. Beat bang, got a dab on you. Jesus Christ is great, I gotta brag on him. I was broken, but he healed, he put a scab on it. The price he paid, I can't put a tag on it. It's priceless, he made me righteous. You heard it before, but not quite like this. I'm giving you the gospel on the trap beat, cause I want you to come about the trap seat. The devil always hating and they be manipulating everybody and they mama. That's why so many complacent. That's why all the craziness is happening up in this nation. It's a spiritual war. We need to realize that we naked like Adam and Eve. God gives leads, but America be tripping. They want Adam and Steve. I ain't dissing nobody, I'm just stating what I see. Everybody on this earth needs God's mercy. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. 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 I keep a small circle like I trust issues. Sometimes I move too fast, I got rush issues. I want some things I can't have, I got lust issues. In America, they got hush issues. They want me to keep quiet, but I ain't. I'ma be bold as a lion. People say they doing good, but they know they be lying. But who the mind to talk, we all deserve to be fried, yeah. If you didn't know, homie, now you know. When Jesus tells me go, yes I go. Well, at least I tried to. Rolling on and on and on, there could I do. Many lessons I've found, many lessons I've learned. Some things you gotta let go like Usher. Let it burn, yeah. Let it burn, let it bang, bang. I'm not a thug just because I let my chain hang. Shout out to Brandon P, I've been free from the chain gang. Your life is jacked up if Jesus ain't the mainframe. I hope you getting the picture. If not, let the dough hit you with a good Lord split you. Life is many people for you and there's many against you. In the end, it's your choice who you got rolling with you, yeah. And there ain't many rolling with me. It's cool, I roll with G.O.D. He's controlling the sea. In the midst of the storm, yes, here's my peace. Showing me his beauty when I'm a beast, yeah. And I said that before. You can talk all you want, but you ain't stopping this flow. I don't do it for you, I do it for the lost souls. And if you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. 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 The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. 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 Drop that found freedom and I'm back already. To some people that is crazy. There's so much on my mind, I'm always losing time, so I gotta grind. I can't be lazy. AG on the beat, so you know the track wavy. I wrote this on the vent, cause a lot of people shady. I ain't perfect, man, I really need Jesus daily. And what you gotta say, that don't faze me. Okay, it does, maybe just a little bit. And it can get annoying like a little zit. But no matter what you say, I will never quit. God gave me a dream and I'm chasing it. And it ain't no faking it. Music mean a lot to me, it ain't no replacing it. That was steady trying to kill me, but I'm escaping it. Through the heat, I rise like bread in a bakery. Beat bang, got a dab on you. Jesus Christ is great, I gotta brag on him. I was broken, but he healed, he put a scab on it. The price he paid, I can't put a tag on it. It's priceless, he made me righteous. You heard it before, but not quite like this. I'm giving you the gospel on the trap beat, cause I want you to come about the trap seat. The devil always hating and they be manipulating everybody and they mama. That's why so many complacent. That's why all the craziness is happening up in this nation. It's a spiritual war. We need to realize that we naked like Adam and Eve. God gives leads, but America be tripping. They want Adam and Steve. I ain't just a no devastating what I see. Everybody on this earth needs God's mercy. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. 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 I keep a small circle like I trust issues. Sometimes I move too fast, I got rush issues. I want some things I can't have, I got lust issues. And America, they got hush issues. They want me to keep quiet, but I ain't. I'ma be bold as a lion. People say they doing good, but they know they be lying. But who the matter talk, we all deserve to be fried, yeah. If you didn't know, homie, now you know. When Jesus tells me go, yes I go. Well, at least I tried to. Rolling on and on and on, there could I do. Many lessons I've found, many lessons I've learned. Some things you gotta let go like Usher, let it burn, yeah. Let it burn, let it bang, bang. I'm not a thug just because I let my chain hang. Shout out to Brandon P, I've been free from the chain gang. Your life is jacked up if Jesus ain't the mainframe. I hope you getting the picture. If not, let the dough hit you with a good Lord split you. Life is many people for you and there's many against you. In the end, it's your choice who you got rolling with you, yeah. And there ain't many rolling with me. It's cool, I roll with G.O.D. He's controlling the sea. In the midst of the storm, yes, here's my peace. Showing me his beauty when I'm a beast, yeah. And I said that before. You can talk all you want, but you ain't stopping this flow. I don't do it for you, I do it for the lost souls. And if you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure. The Lord, he has mercy on my soul. If you lost, he the way to go. If you didn't know, now you know. I ain't perfect, man, that's for sure.